है कुछ एनर्जीज है जो कुछ डेफिनेशन है जो आपको नहीं आती है। व्हाट इज आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी बेटा?
फंक्शन है जिसके अंदर आप यूज करोगे, रूल का नाम है क्या, पुश करने गए dy बाय dx, जो भी आपका फंक्शन है, और dy बाय dx ऑफ साइन ax प्लस b अपॉन कॉस।
एक स्टेप के साथ लीजिए। यहाँ आपके बच्चे को कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स जैसे कि जेईई नीट और स्कूल के बोर्ड के एग्जाम दोनों की प्रिपरेशन करवाई जाएगी। एक टीचर स्कूल के लिए तैयारी करवाएगा और एक टीचर आपके बच्चे को जेईई नीट के लिए तैयारी करवाएगा। सो आपका जो सपना है अपने बच्चे को डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनाने का, वो पूरा करने के लिए हम 24 आवर्स रेडी हैं। सो वलसाड़ के सारे पेरेंट्स को मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि आज ही एक स्टेप लीजिए and join STEP IIT NEET Academy, Sai Leela Mall, second floor, Valsad.
So as we all know that it is not only that you only learn and give exams. So paper practice is very important, and STEP Academy has boosted our confidence during exam.
At STEP Academy, the faculty is very kind, and we had a really good solving sessions also.
I'm Trisha P. Shah, and I have currently got my 10th result. I scored 94%. STEP IIT NEET Academy had helped me a lot to improve my score this time. So the minor doubts which often lead to mistakes in the board exams were improved by the teachers present at the STEP IIT NEET Academy. Also the sample paper practice which they provided us helped me a lot to boost confidence. It also helped me to complete my paper on time. Along with that, along with boards, it is also helping me to cope up with competitive exams like me. So the experience here is wonderful.
My experience with STEP Academy has been great. The teachers here makes the concept easy to understand, and they focus on both JEE and boards. The test taken here has gained my confidence for the board exams and the competitive exams.
My name is Kunal. I scored 85% and 95 PR in my 10th board exam. I was not a topper till I joined STEP IIT NEET Academy, and now I am a topper.
Hello, my name is Priyanshi Patel, and I have joined STEP IIT Institute Academy since last 2 years. I prefer this institute to help me prepare for my 12 boards and NEET entrance exam. This institute has provided me various advantages like flexible schedule, one-on-one doubt session at any time of the day, online whereas offline, and the choice to learn from my choice of mentor. This institute has not only guided me for my exams but helped me to overcome my fears as well as failures. Thank you.
My name is Shri Pastadia. I got 98.6% in class 10th boards. I give credit to STEP IIT NEET Academy as proper schedules are provided by them. Also, my time was not wasted for making it. Whenever while practicing I got doubts, my studies were not interrupted as doubt solving sessions were also provided instantaneously.
I'm Rutha from STEP IIT Academy. Today I will be sharing my experience in this institute with all of you. But first I would like to thank all the institute faculties for giving me such excellent coaching. I have been here studying since 2 years. All the materials are provided me for studying. Whenever I have any doubt, the faculty is there to resolve it immediately. Your weekly tests are concluded so that the students don't face any difficulties in use of JEE and NEET. So I recommend STEP IIT Academy for students who have dream of cracking JEE and NEET. Here the teachers and environment is just so good for study.
Hello, my name is Uma Ganashali and I have studied in STEP IIT NEET Academy since the last 2 years, and I would like to tell you all that I am here from the last 2 years, and my experience in this my experience in this academy was just wow. The study material they provide and the faculties over here, they help me throughout my studies a lot, and they have and their guidance is just wow. I would not be able to express my feelings in words, as the work they do is not sufficient.
Hello, my name is Vivek Banushali. My experience since last 2 years in the STEP IIT NEET Academy was amazing. The efforts and hard work of the teachers and solving my doubts helped me to improve myself better and to make my future bright. The efforts of the all faculties in STEP IIT NEET Academy can't be expressed in mere words. I am very thankful to STEP IIT NEET Academy to make my future bright and help me in my study. A single step can make your life change. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम आपको हमारे ही बच्चे जो हमसे 11-12 पढ़े हैं, लॉकडाउन में हमसे पढ़े हैं, उनके बारे में वो खुद बताएंगे कि उन्होंने 2 साल हमारे साथ क्या फील किया, कैसा उनको लगा। उनसे बात करते हैं, चलिए। तो आपने जो यहाँ फील किया 2 साल में, टीचर्स कैसे थे, कैसा आपको अच्छा लगा नहीं लगा, समझ में आता है, आप अपने बारे में बताइए ताकि हम सबको बता सके कि स्टेप अकेडमी फिलहाल वलसाड में क्या करवा रही है।
नहीं, यहाँ पे टीचर्स जो है वो सब बहुत ही सपोर्टिव है, वो उनका गाइडेंस भी बहुत ही अच्छा है।
उन्होंने हमें ऑनलाइन एज वेल एज ऑफलाइन बहुत हेल्पफुल रहे हैं और डाउट सेशंस भी हम जब भी फ्लेक्सिबल शेड्यूल हमको मिला है।
हम पहले जैसे थे उससे हमने कहीं ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस किया है और उसमें हमारे फैकल्टीज ने हमको बहुत हेल्प की है। वी थैंक STEP IIT NEET Academy
and Mr. K.K. Sir for their best service.
Thank you so much, beta. Thank you.
So I highly recommend to join STEP IIT NEET Academy for boards as well as competitive exam. Also, I would like to thank our director K.K. Sharma sir for providing us such a wonderful guidance.